Hey everyone, as your notebooks grow, finding important information quickly becomes more important than ever. That's where tags come in. Microsoft OneNote lets you tag notes, tasks, questions, and important ideas so you can organize and locate them much faster. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to add and use tags in Microsoft OneNote. So let's get started. First, open Microsoft OneNote and sign in if needed. Navigate to the notebook, section, and page containing the note you want to tag. You can tag a single line, a paragraph, or multiple pieces of text. Next, click and drag to highlight the text you want to tag. For example, you might select an important reminder, an action item, a question, or a key point from your notes. Now go to the Home tab and locate the Tags group. Click the Tag menu to view the available options. Depending on your version of OneNote, you'll see tags such as To Do, Important, Question, Remember for Later, and more. Choose the tag that best matches your note. As soon as you select it, the tag icon will appear beside your text. Yeah, you can repeat this process throughout your notebook to organize different types of information. When your notebook becomes larger, tags make it much easier to locate important information. Use OneNote search feature, or in supported versions, the Find Tags option to quickly review all of your tagged notes. I mean, it can save you a lot of time. For the best results, use the same tags consistently across your notebooks. So, reserve the To-Do tag for unfinished tasks and the Important tag for critical information. A consistent tagging system makes everything much easier to manage, and that's how to add tags in Microsoft OneNote. Tags are a simple but powerful way to organize your notes and quickly find important information whenever you need it. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more OneNote tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.